What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about the most important Python function that you absolutely have to know, and that's the help function. So let's get started. Alright, so Python is built with the user in mind. One of the best ways to see this is how Python makes it so easy for you to access its documentation. Every object contains the reference to a string, which is known as the docstring. In most cases, this docstring contains a quick summary of the object and how to use it. Python has a built-in help function that can help you access this information. This means that nearly any time you need more information, you can use help to quickly find the information that you need. So, let's get into the syntax. Well, the syntax of the help function is help and parentheses. And inside that you just pass in a function or a method. Alright, so the syntax is help and a function or a method. So let's try it out. So we have help, and now let's use list, and now let's run this. And the good thing about this is you don't have to print it out. Python just gives it to you. So it says class list object, so you know that it's an object. And now list is a built-in mutable sequence. If no argument is given, you have an empty list, and the argument must be an iterable if specified. And now Python's giving us some of its methods. Alright, and now it says add, self and value, contains, and over here it says more. So if we want more, all we have to do is keep on pressing enter. And there's so many methods for anything in Python that I only know a few of these. So let's look through some more. And you see there's just so many that you can use in so many different ways and situations. See, look, here's len, and we've used this a couple times on my channel. Well, and as you see, it just keeps on going on. There's just so many. List.append, clear, we've done so many of these. And that's pretty cool. But in this, we used an object. Now, let's see what happens when we pass in a function. So let's say max. And we've gone over max on my channel. So yeah, check that video out if you haven't already. And if you don't know what max is, well, you're in luck. You're about to find out. So let's run this. And we see max. And its argument is an iterable. And it says with a single iterable argument, return its biggest item. The default keyword only argument specifies an object to return if the provided iterable is empty. With two or more arguments, return the largest argument. So let's try seeing this if it works. Alright, so I'll create a list. I'll call it L1, and I'll fill it with 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to print out max of L1. And now, after that, I'm going to print out max of 1 and 2. So let's run this, and we see 3 and 2. So all we have to do is just run such a simple function, the help function. So help, and like that, and all we have to do is just put something inside that, and Python's gonna give us all it knows about that. And that's just remarkable. And it makes it way easier for you, because then you don't have to, Google up what does this function or this object do in Python. It's just a lot easier. Well, that's it for this video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Peace.